For anything to be categorized as luxury, it needs to have the following. The raw materials have to be absolutely perfect. The workmanship has to be impeccable. It has to have that element of rarity. It needs to be personalized both in terms of functionality and your aesthetic preferences. And lastly, I would say, if you don't think it's luxurious, then it won't be luxurious. Hello everyone, this is Hardesh. I'm at Camellias and we are going to be discussing one of the apartments that we have recently done in detail. Please check the chapter and the ebook at buildofy.com. So this is 7400 super and 5200 square feet carpet area.
Almost 12 months ago, this client just turns up and says, I've picked up this ready-made apartment here. So I turn up at this site and I was like, nothing stays.
So here's 3 lifts that lead you into the private lift lobby.
If you notice, there's one signature in this whole property, the little bump, a little curve, and you'll see this going around in all the surfaces. This is a very beautiful lot of Michelangelo. It's a spotless beauty thrown in with some Newton grey stripes. So the way this subtly just continues from the foyer into your entry lobby. Now this curve from the floor pattern goes into this glass also. A reverse of this entire glass goes into this curved wall. This is your first hint into what you're going to see in the whole house. This larger than life lighting that has been added so that we could not really focus on the small decor element. There are no unnecessary, yet again, doors as you enter your living room. It's just a wide opening. My most wonderful find was this gorgeous fireplace. So this bump again with this beautiful fireplace. So this is our warp coffee table. These are 2 pieces kept one on top of each other. And you'll see those bumps in those sculptural trees. You'll see that in the back of the seats. There's beautiful stone used everywhere. There's a story being carried between the chair and the end table. The bumpiness into this round, beautiful couch where almost 15 people can literally sit together. When we open these doors open, that's the extension of our formal living room. Have you seen this massive dining table with beautiful edging? I love the bumps. This baby chandelier has been carved out of the same stone block as the dining table to give it that little matching couture look.
But this bar back storage still gives me nightmares, okay? Because she was like, oh, I want art behind the bar, and the client was like, I want storage behind the bar. And that's what I think led to the birth of us doing now these printed cabinets and this printed shuttery.
This is a grey Venezia veneer, which has been given this ultra glossy piano finish. This is just one single piece of marble. We wanted to see the cleaner part of the kitchen first, which is our butler's vestibule, and hands-free, of course. Beautiful. We need something nice, we open the pantry, we pick whatever we need, and we're back.
This is a lavish powder bathroom. A beautiful wide vanity. This client has 2 wonderful, beautiful, cute little daughters. So this is for daughter number 1 with her bathroom. And we enter the master bedroom from here.
So as you can see, the paneling, both that's completely done in paint as well as then transitioning into leather. There's a seamless flow of transition. And now my favorite part about the vanities as well is the splash-proof ledges that we've added. We even added the same stone to the wardrobes rather than having a regular wood back.
As we walk back from the master bedroom, we enter the bedroom which is dedicated to visiting parents. And that's the 4th bedroom for the little one. This has got one of our classic corner wardrobes. The wardrobe is also elevated and hung up on the floor to add an illusion of more space. We come back again. This is a very beautiful place for a petite puja unit.
Our innate sensibility lies towards using natural materials. And marble, of course, happens to be one which appeals to us. And because something that appeals to you, you end up using it more and more often. And that also has made us, I would say, very skilled at using marble. I would say this is an affirmation of the fact that one should not second guess the process. This project reaffirms that if you stick to your original concept, the original thought, and persevere, walk that last mile, the end result justifies all of that.